We got Hamilton and the Hamsters. Where are they from? It's Canada. We got Hamilton and hopscotch and hot rod on a learning journey. Come along with us in Canada, where we learn and we have fun. We're gonna jam to some songs with Hamilton and the Hamsters. Put your hands together for Hamilton and the Hamsters.
Go team! Today's so exciting because it's all about sports, and I'm so glad that we're joined with my best friend, Team Captain Mack. How's it going, man?
It's going great, Hamilton. It's always great to come visit you and the Hamsters.
Well, you know we love when you visit and you tell us about hockey and all the other games you play.
Yeah, ice hockey's always been my favorite. I should teach you how to skate sometime.
Yeah, you know I've always been bad with skating, but I try my best. Weren't you saying, Hot Rod, you want to learn to skate too?
Yeah, I've always wanted to hit the ice, man.
Yeah, it'd be so fun, all of us. And even Hopscotch was saying she wants to get into skating, but maybe figure skating. Yeah, that all seems cool. We'd all have to go on the ice sometime.
Yeah, going on the ice would be fun. You should come play hockey with me.
I'd love to play hockey. I wish we could even play together on the ground without skates.
Well, it's funny you should say that, because you can.
What? How?
It's a little game called ball hockey. It's played exactly the same way as ice hockey, except we can run and use our feet instead of skates.
Do you use a puck, the same that skates and glides on the ice for regular ice hockey?
No, pucks don't really work on the floor as well, but we use a ball. That way it rolls just like it would glide.
And that's why it's called ball hockey. That makes sense, doesn't that? Yeah, my favorite's always been basketball. I love running up and down the courts.
Yeah, running is always the best way to get the body moving nice and quickly.
Yeah, it's so cool that with sports you can not only have fun with your own self and with the team, but you can also have a fun time exercising and getting your heart rate moving and exerting all that fun energy.
Exactly. That's why you guys should come join me on a couple adventures today.
I think we should so go on some adventures, maybe hit the court, or who knows, play some fun sports. How's that sound?
That sounds awesome.
Yeah, let's do it. Ready? Here we go.
We're playing basketball now, bounce, bounce, bounce. We're playing baseball and we catch, catch, catch. We're playing soccer ball now, kick, kick, kick. We're athletes together now, yeah, we did it.
Great job.
You serve the tennis ball and bounce, bounce, bounce. You throw the football and you throw, throw, throw. You're on the rowing team now, row, row, row. We're athletes together now, let's go, go, go. We're playing sports together, we are so strong. We run around the court, we run all day long. We're playing sports together, we make a good team. We're playing anything that we can dream. We're going dancing and we tap, tap, tap. We can try fencing and we swing, swing, swing. There's also hockey and we skate, skate, skate.
That's a year.
We're athletes together now, hooray, hooray, hooray. We're playing sports together, we are so strong. We run around the court, we run all day long.
Keep it going.
We're playing sports together, we make a good team.
Go team.
We're playing anything that we can dream. Go team.
Hey everybody, you're here with Captain Mack. We're here at the ODR. That stands for Outdoor Rink. And we're here keeping warm when it's cold outside, but still having fun. Once your body starts moving, it'll start to produce some heat. But that'll only take you so far. You're gonna want a couple extras to make sure you stay warm in the winter. That's why I'm wearing long johns underneath these. I also have hand warmers to keep my hands warm inside my gloves, and I'm making sure to keep my face warm with my mask. Stay safe, stay warm out there, but have fun. Whoa, ho, Hamilton!
Hey everybody, it's me, Hamilton. I'm here at the outdoor rink with my good friend Captain Mack.
Hey everybody!
He's taught us some things about how to stay warm and maybe some of the gear you might be wearing, like a helmet. I didn't bring my helmet or my skates today. I'm just doing a watching lesson. But Mack, can you teach us some things maybe about how to skate?
Of course. And next time, Hamilton, I can't wait till you can come join me out here.
Yeah, I'll have my skates, my helmet, and all my gear ready for next time.
Yeah, be very careful around the ice without a helmet on, Hamilton.
Yeah, it is a little scary and slippery.
Whoa! Whoa!
Mac, I'm gonna sit over here and watch you from the sidelines.
That's
You
probably
think
for
you
the
could give us
best.
a little bit of a lesson?
Of course. Skating
Okay.
is really nice and simple. You just want to make sure to keep one foot in front of the other and make sure to keep your, whoa, balance going.
Oh, do you think you could turn around, skate to the other side of the rink?
Oh, for you, Hamilton, I'll do it in no time at all.
Well, we're gonna go. Yeah, speed racer. Yeah, Mac's the best. Come on back, Mac. Come on back, Mac.
Oh, yeah, you want to come back? Oh, yeah. Skating's so much fun, but remember to keep your head up out here.
Yeah. Okay. Well, guys, me and Mac had so much fun out on the ice today, and we're gonna keep skating around. But then I think it's time for a hot chocolate break.
Yo, yeah.
Live from the ice, it's your friend Hamilton here, and he's filming. I've got an up-close interview with my friend Captain Mack.
Oh, Hamilton, it's great to see you.
Okay, Mac, today we're talking lots about sports. I was wondering if you could tell me some things about hockey, one of your favorite sports.
Ah, yes, hockey. One of the most popular sports in all of Canada. It's because it's so cold here, we're able to find these ice rinks all over the place.
And hockey is played with two teams. So there's one net on one side of the rink, and there would be one net on the other?
Exactly. Two teams consisting of 6 players on the ice. 5 of them playing outside and 1 of them playing goalie.
Oh, one playing goalie. I think that'd be me. Because I guess they don't have to skate too much, do they? They kind of more just protect the net from everything coming?
They protect the net, but their job is super important. There's no one there behind them. They're the last line of defense for the team.
Wow, that's sweet. Well, thanks for teaching us about hockey, Mac.
Hey everybody, just here at Captain Mack after a long day out at the ODR with Hamilton. I absolutely love my skates, guys, but don't think that they're just locked to hockey. There's all kinds of different skating sports you can do, like figure skating or even speed skating. Remember to stay warm out there and to get creative while you're skating.
Oh man, Mac, that was so much fun when you taught us all these cool sports and we played so much games. I feel like I really learned a lot.
I'm glad, Hamilton. It's always a pleasure playing with you guys.
Yeah, that's so sweet. I know I didn't quite get skating, but maybe one day. Well, hey, we talked a lot about playing and some cool things like that with sports, but we're missing one section of it completely. Coaching.
Someone say coaching?
Whoa, Coach Kieran!
Hello, team.
How are you doing today?
I'm great. How are you?
Doing good. Mac was just trying to teach me how to skate earlier today. We've had so much fun trying so many different things.
He was teaching you how to skate?
Yeah.
I'm a coach. I can teach you how to skate.
Oh, we should have called you. Did you ever coach Mac?
Of course. This guy was one of the best on my team.
Hey, that must be why he's team captain now. Wow, you must be a pretty good coach. Have you only coached hockey before?
I've coached lots of sports. Hockey, soccer, basketball, football.
That's a lot of different sports. And which one's your favorite?
Oh, with this guy, hockey.
Yeah, it must be fun seeing all the players skate so fast on the ice, back and forth, action-packed game on the side of the, what are these called, the boards when you're playing?
Exactly.
Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about.
Exactly, Hamilton. The boards. The best part about hockey is scoring those goals.
Yeah.
And when you score the goals and win the game, you get these guys.
Whoa!
Medals!
Medals! Thanks, Coach Kieran.
Of course.
Wow, these are pretty cool. Hot Rod and Hopscotch are going to be so jealous. I can't wait to show them. But maybe they can come play with me next time, and we can all get medals.
That sounds like a great idea.
Wow. Well, thanks for the medals, and thanks for talking to us a little bit about coaching, Coach Kieran.
Of course. Anytime, Hamilton.
Thank you. What an awesome day.
Incoming call from Dolly.
Dolly's on a journey and she's giving us a call. Dolly's a hamster so cute and so small. Where's Dolly?
Go team! I'm just out here getting ready to exercise, move my body, and maybe get a little sweat on. But before that, you got to get yourself ready by stretching. Make sure your body and your muscles are in the right mode to be active. Now, sometimes stretching, you don't want to pull a muscle or do the wrong stretch, but we're going to try to get ready out here and see how we do. For our first big stretch, reach your hands up to the sky and all the way down to touch your toes. Oh, big stretch. Ah. Whoa.
Hamilton.
Oh.
Don't want to strain yourself.
Oh, Coach Kieran, it's so good to see you. How are
Good to
you?
see you. Great. How are you, Hamilton?
I'm doing good. I was just getting ready to exercise. I started by doing some stretches, but you were saying, is it easy to strain some muscles or maybe stretch the wrong way?
Of course it is. You got to precisely move your muscles in the right way. Otherwise, you could tear something.
Okay, and you don't want any tears, everybody. So that's the same reason why we stretch before we move around, right? 'Cause
Exactly.
if you go out to a big game and you didn't stretch beforehand, maybe you could be running and then, ouch! You feel a muscle in your leg tense up?
Exactly. You can't be a great athlete if you can't even move.
That's true. Well, Coach Kieran, you're a coach, right?
I am, yes.
And to be a coach is when you've got a team or even an individual that you can cheer on and teach them how to do it the right way, right?
Yeah, something like that, Hamilton.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah. So when you're coaching, or sometimes when I need a coach, like when I'm stretching and maybe going to tear something, you're there to help out and give some guidance. That's your job.
That is partly my job, yeah.
Oh.
I'm there to coach you so you don't strain yourself. If you strain yourself, we have other people there to professionally help you with that.
Okay, so your mission is to teach us how to not be in danger and to teach
Exactly.
us how to be the best players, athletes, and movers, shakers, and goers that we can be, right?
You got that right, Hamilton.
Well, I'm getting ready to keep playing some sports. You should come on in here and coach me.
Really?
Yeah, do you got some time?
I got enough time.
All right, well, come on, Kieran. I'll meet you over.
Let's go. No!
Well, Coach Kieran, how'd I do?
You did very good, Hamilton.
Yeah,
Very good.
thank you. I feel like an athlete.
I think you're becoming one.
So you think I'm ready for my next level?
Yes, I believe so.
Okay.
I think it's time for the signature move, Hamilton.
My own signature move?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
I made it specifically for you and you alone.
Okay.
It's called the ham dunk.
Ham dunk! Okay, Coach Kieran. So I'm gonna do a slam dunk, but Hamilton mode?
Hamilton mode.
For you, Coach Kieran, the ham dunk. I'll get a good run. Coach Kieran, I gotta tell you, I didn't make my own ham dunk, but it was only my first try. And for all you that are just learning sports, and maybe the ones that don't even have a great coach like me, don't get discouraged. I know we've said it, but you might fail your first ham dunk. You might feel a little tired running laps, but the best part is you keep on trying, you keep on playing. Isn't that right, Coach?
That's right, Hamilton. That's a great mindset.
So you're not mad that I missed the ham dunk?
Mad? I call that a win.
Oh,
Not only did you finish your drills perfectly, but you learned something new today.
I did. And I learned all from you. And I just want to say thanks for hanging out with me today and playing a little ball.
Oh, thanks for having me. Anytime.
Yeah, see you later.
Zambonis are large machines that are used to clean the ice of skating rinks. They may not have been invented in Canada, but they were popularized here and have become incredible staples of skating, hockey, and other wintertime sports.
Wow, there's so many sports to try and so many to play, and it was so much fun learning about them, wasn't it, guys?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty great. Thanks again for stopping by, Coach Kieran.
Anytime.
It was awesome. And thanks as always, Mac.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, have a good one, everybody. See you later.